Most people dream of financial freedom. It's a vision that often includes the ability to live life on one's own terms, free from the constraints of financial stress. They imagine a life without the constant worry of money. A life where financial stability allows them to enjoy the simple pleasures, like a serene day at the beach or a quiet moment in nature. A life where they can pursue their passions. Whether it's painting in a sunlit studio or hiking through majestic mountains, financial freedom opens the door to endless possibilities. A life where they can spend time with loved ones. This dream is achievable. Imagine the joy of sharing quality moments with family and friends, free from financial distractions. It starts with smart financial planning. By taking the time to understand and manage your finances, you lay the groundwork for a secure future. Two powerful tools can help you achieve this dream: SIP and SWP. These strategies are designed to make your money work for you, ensuring steady growth and reliable income. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly, helping you build wealth over time through disciplined investing. SWP stands for Systematic Withdrawal Plan. This strategy enables you to withdraw a fixed amount at regular intervals, providing a steady income stream during retirement or other life stages. These investment strategies offer a disciplined and effective way to grow your wealth. Just like a plant that flourishes with consistent care, your investments can thrive with regular contributions and withdrawals. They also help you enjoy the fruits of your labor without stress. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your financial future is secure, allowing you to relax and enjoy life. In this essay, we will delve into the world of SIP and SWP. We will break down the mechanics of these plans and show you how to implement them effectively. We will explore how they work and why they are essential for securing your financial future. Understanding these tools is the first step towards achieving your financial goals. Let's embark on this journey towards financial freedom together. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can turn your dream of financial independence into a reality. Imagine a farmer planting seeds. He doesn't plant all the seeds at once. Instead, he plants them consistently over time. This ensures a steady and bountiful harvest. SIP works in a similar way. It's like planting seeds of wealth in your portfolio. With SIP, you invest a fixed amount of money regularly. This could be monthly, quarterly, or annually. This disciplined approach averages out the cost of your investments over time. It also helps you ride out market volatility. Think of it as buying a basket of fruits every month. Some months the prices may be high, other months they may be low, but over time you get a fair average price. Let's say you decide to save the cost of your daily coffee. Instead of spending, you invest that money in a SIP. Let's assume your daily coffee costs £5. That's £150 a month. Now imagine investing this £150 every month for 10 years in a SIP. Let's assume an average annual return of 8%. After 10 years, your investment would grow to over £25,000. This is the power of compounding. Compounding is like a snowball effect. Your money earns interest, then the interest earns interest, and so on. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that grows your wealth exponentially. Section 4, SIP, your best friend on the road to riches. In this section, we will explore why SIP, or Systematic Investment Plan, is considered one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. SIP is a powerful investment strategy for several reasons. It allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly, which can be monthly, quarterly, or even weekly, depending on your preference. Firstly, it enforces a disciplined investing habit, ensuring you save and invest regularly. This disciplined approach helps you avoid the temptation to spend money impulsively. Secondly, it utilizes rupee cost averaging, which helps you buy more units when prices are low and fewer units when prices are high. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility on your investments. Thirdly, the power of compounding allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. The returns you earn on your investments are reinvested, generating even more returns. Lastly, it's convenient and flexible, making it easy to set up and manage. You can start with a small amount and gradually increase it as your income grows. You can choose the investment amount and frequency that suits your budget. This flexibility ensures that you can maintain your SIP even during financial crunches. SIP is like a marathon, not a sprint. It's about staying committed and consistent over a long period to achieve your financial goals. It's about consistent effort over the long term. Just like nurturing a plant, your investments need regular attention and time to grow. Section 5. Avoiding the pitfalls, common SIP mistakes, and how to steer clear. In the next section, we will discuss the common mistakes investors make with SIPs and how you can avoid them to ensure a smooth investment journey. Section 5. Avoiding the pitfalls, common SIP mistakes, and how to steer clear. While SIP is a powerful tool for wealth creation, there are some common mistakes that investors often make, which can hinder their financial growth. First, investing without a clear goal in mind. It's crucial to define your financial goals before starting a SIP, as this will help you choose the right investment plan and tenure. Whether it's saving for a child's education, buying a house, or planning for retirement, having a goal gives direction to your investments. Second, stopping SIPs during market downturns. Market fluctuations are normal, and it's important not to panic and stop your SIPs when the market falls. Instead, continue investing to take advantage of rupee cost averaging. Third, not reviewing your portfolio regularly. It's important to review your portfolio periodically and make adjustments based on your goals and market conditions. Regular reviews help in aligning your investments with your changing financial needs and market dynamics. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and stay invested. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make the most of your SIP investments and achieve your financial goals. Section 6. Enjoying the harvest. Introducing SWP for a steady income stream. Section 6. Enjoying the harvest. Introducing SWP for a steady income stream. Just as you plant seeds for a future harvest, you can also create a system to enjoy the fruits of your investment. This is where SWP comes in. SWP allows you to withdraw a fixed amount from your investment at regular intervals. This is particularly useful during retirement when you need a regular income stream. Think of it like having a fruit tree that bears fruit regularly. You can enjoy the fruits of your labor without depleting the tree itself. Section 7. The Perfect Retirement Plan. How SWP secures your golden years. Section 7. The Perfect Retirement Plan. How SWP secures your golden years. Let's say you have accumulated a retirement corpus of £250,000. You can now set up an SWP to withdraw a fixed amount, let's say £2,000 every month. This provides you with a regular income stream to support your living expenses. SWP ensures that you don't outlive your savings. It also allows your remaining investment to continue growing. This provides a safety net and peace of mind during your retirement years. SWP is like a pension that you create for yourself. It gives you the freedom to enjoy your golden years without financial worries.